Hey, imagine you're chatting with native English speakers, but your conversations feel a little stiff or awkward. You know what I mean? The secret isn't learning more vocabulary. It's these small linking words that native speakers use all the time to sound natural, friendly, and smooth. Today, I'm sharing exactly 5 powerful linkers that will make your English conversations flow beautifully. Stick around until the end because the last one is a game changer for ending conversations politely. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're a beginner or intermediate English learner who wants to speak more naturally, this video is for you. These 5 linkers are super common in real life, in movies, YouTube, podcasts, and everyday chats. Ready? Let's go. First up, actually. Use actually when you want to give surprising information or gently correct something. It makes you sound more natural than just saying yes or no. For example, friend, I heard you play guitar. You, actually, in my spare time, I'm a professional boxer. See? It adds a little surprise and keeps the conversation interesting. Another situation, correcting politely. Actually, the meeting is on Tuesday, not Wednesday. Practice this one. It's very common in real English. Number 2, to be honest. Use this when you're giving your real opinion, especially if it might sound a little direct or negative. It softens the message and sounds very natural. For example, to be honest, I think your hair looked better before the new style. It shows you're being sincere. You can also use it for positive opinions. To be honest, this is the best pizza I've had in years. Tip: say it at the beginning of the sentence for the best flow. Try it next time you give feedback to a friend. Number 3, by the way, this is perfect for introducing a new topic smoothly. It feels casual and friendly. For example, yeah, the movie was great. By the way, I'm having a party on Saturday. Are you free? Beautiful transition. It keeps the conversation moving without awkward silence. You can also use it to add extra information. I live in New York. By the way, do you know any good restaurants around here? This one makes you sound relaxed and confident. Number 4, at the end of the day. Use this when you've thought about everything and now you're giving the most important point or final opinion. For example, we discussed all the options. Well, at the end of the day, it's my house, so I'll decide who stays. It's great in discussions, debates, or when making a decision. Another example, some people prefer online learning, others prefer classrooms. At the end of the day, the most important thing is that you keep practicing every day. It sounds wise and natural. Finally, number 5. Anyway. This is one of the most useful linkers in English. You can use it to change the topic, return to the main topic, or politely end the conversation. Examples: that story was crazy. Anyway, how was your weekend? Or, anyway, I've got to go now. I have to edit this video. Anyway is your best friend when you want to keep the conversation flowing or exit gracefully. Native speakers use it all the time. So there you have it, 5 powerful linkers. Actually, to be honest, by the way, at the end of the day, and anyway. Start using just 1 or 2 of these today and you'll immediately sound more natural in English. Which one are you going to practice first? Tell me in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical English conversation tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Share this with a friend who's learning English too. They'll thank you. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!